Well, hey guys, if you're looking for a great way to spruce up your pool, this is a great option for that. This is a little pool light. All you're gonna have to do is put off the little film that it comes with right there. Just gonna turn this thing on. You'll see the light kind of flash right there in the back. See right there. But now this is gonna sit here and charge. It's gonna use solar power to charge up. And as you can see, some of the solar area in our pool right now is actually gone, but there's still a few little spots, and some sun will get on here as the sun sets. So we'll see what this looks like tonight, and probably check it out tomorrow as well. Let it kind of run, get a full day sun, and then we'll see what this looks like at night. So let's go ahead and put these in, and we'll see what happens. So this is what the pool lights look like just in the pool. Wanted to show you guys just kind of what they look like floating around, similar to, you know, just a chlorine tablet or anything pretty basic in your pool. But this is a couple days later. We did have a little bit of sun today. It was rainy most of the day, but this is what they look like. This is a great, fun little thing for our kids. They haven't even seen it yet, but I think this is a really cool way to just make your pool a lot more fun at night. You can see it's shining kind of all around there. It shines a beam of light straight down, and then it has, you know, other lights that's kind of shooting off all over the place. And it's just a fun little way kind of make your pool fun at night, and maybe even a little bit safer as well, so you can kind of see everything in there. If your pool filter is running, these will be moving around and kind of dancing a little bit more than just sitting still, but it's a really cool option. I think this is really neat. Like I said, it rained for most of the day, did not get really sunny, but these did turn on, and they've been on now for a few hours, just from, you know, probably a few hours during the day of sunlight. So that's a really cool option. I think it looks really good. It's really easy. All you have to do is set them in there, and then they will work. And this is what it looks like a little bit further up from the house, so I think it's definitely a really cool option for that. A couple things I don't know about longevity or how long they will last throughout the night, but it's just a fun little way to make the pool a lot more fun for the kids, and I think that's a great thing. Great little added bonus for these. But I think if you're in the market for some added fun this summer, this is definitely a great one for your pool. My kids are absolutely going to love this and think it's really neat. And I think it's really cool. It just looks good, makes your pool look a lot more fun and festive, and definitely could do this for a smaller pool or a larger pool as well. I've seen a lot of my friends have these in their pools, and it has definitely added just a little bit more to their pool, made it a lot more fun. So overall, I think it's a great option, and definitely think it's something I highly recommend you check out.